Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best breast pump bags for moms with style that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best breast pump bags for moms with style. If you don't want to let your fashion sense fall by the wayside just because you've had a kid, but you also need a bag that's functional enough to carry everything you need, you've come to the right place. Here's how to find a breast pump bag that does its job with style. Number 5. The New Yorker Breast Pump Bag. It has a designated cooler compartment that fits many of the brand name coolers that come with pumps. That way you'll be able to safely transport your hard-earned breast milk. Main features. It has drop handles. Professional designed. Ultra stylish. Number 4. Sarah Wells Kelly Breast Pump Bag. This bag can be a shoulder bag or a backpack. It'll work however you want to wear it. Since it's made out of nylon, all you have to do is wipe it down with a damp cloth. Main features. It has a water bottle pocket. For fitting so much stuff inside. You can keep your keys. Number 3. Sarah Wells Lizzy Breast Pump Bag. This bag can double as a carry-on bag or a beach bag when you aren't using it for pumping. You can stick a towel in the lower pump section of the bag and be all set for a day on the beach. Main features. This bag is lightweight. It's super stylish. It's versatile. Number 2. Sarah Wells Claire Breast Pump. This high-end bag has thermally lined pockets at the bottom of the bag on each side, where you can put your pump and accessories. You can even use ice packs in the thermal pockets. Main features. It has shoulder straps. Crossbody strap. It has multiple pockets. Number 1. Dr. Brown's Breast Pump Carryall Tote. It has a classic design that isn't fancy, but it's nevertheless a discreet bag that people would never guess is actually holding a breast pump. It's made of polyester that's easy to clean with a damp cloth. Main features. It has multiple pockets. Easy to clean. Affordable. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.